How email marketing helps. I understand that when you hear anything about an email, most people sometimes think, "Why do you want my email address? This must be spam." Well, that's not the case here. And for those of you who don't know, spam is irrelevant or inappropriate messages that are sent over the internet to a large number of recipients. And with that said, with email marketing, there are free spam checkers online. That way, your email doesn't go to the spam inbox. And with email marketing, you learn how to capture leads and own your list using a sales funnel, which is very important to have online. That's one of the key components to seeing success online is using an appropriate proven sales funnel. So you get to build your know, like, and trust factor. And with that said, it starts at the top with leads. Get those leads, they turn into prospects, and those prospects turn into customers, which makes your sales. So you'll learn how to go ahead and write effective emails to go ahead and separate your leads to prospects to customers. And if you're new to this and you have never made money online or you've been trying different methods and they're not working, I understand you might be thinking, you might be skeptical, you might have some kind of fear starting new, starting over, learning something new, and you might think as well that it's a scam. Well, if you need to go ahead and flip your switch here, rethink differently, ask yourself these questions. Could this help me make money online? How can I learn more about effective email marketing? Are my current marketing strategies bringing results? And email marketing is expected to increase to 17.9 billion by 2027. With an email list, this would be your backbone to your online journey, your business, or your brand. And all top marketers, they own their email list. So, how will this help you? You build your email list, you use lead generation strategies, so that is eyeballs to your website. You're not chasing family or friends. You don't need to be on social media all day, and you get to create freedom and time while learning a lifelong skill. Click the link in the description to start with a marketing system to help you succeed online. And in the words of Les Brown, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how email marketing helps your online journey. And remember to please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.